Minimal design isn't about doing less, it's about making every element matter. Today, how to create ultra-clean frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert a single main frame and center it slightly off-axis for subtle visual interest. Upload your image and place it inside, adjusting crop for perfect composition. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a soft border glow effect. Keep the background completely clean, using white or light gray for clarity. Avoid unnecessary elements and only add a single thin line if required. Use position tools to align